B'żewġ bajdiet, sejna dan il-kejk ħanħawdu bidejja, tista' ma tħaddux bidejk ukoll. Però jiena sa nħawdu bidejja. U l-ewwel li nibdew b'żewġ bajdiet, itfgħu żewġ bajdiet u 100 grams 100 gramma caster sugar. Mela żewġ bajdiet u 100 gramma caster sugar. Issa ħanejda bl-Ingliż. So I'm going to mix everything with my hand. I started, as you have seen, with 2 eggs and I added 100 grams caster sugar. Now I'm going to continue mixing everything. This cake I'm going to make it by hand. I'm not going to use the mixer like I usually do. I'm making it with my hand. So as I told you, start with 2 eggs and 100 grams caster sugar and mix well. Continue mixing. Ittaraw, ħawattu kollu flimkien, ħawat kollox flimkien. Issa se nitfa' 100 millilitru żejt. Now as you can see, I mixed the eggs and the caster sugar together. Now I'm going to add 100 milliliters oil. 100 millilitru żejt. Komplu ħawdu. Continue mixing. Ser nitfa' 100 millilitru ħalib tal-banana. Dan qed nagħmel esperiment dal-kejk ħanippruva hekk. Mela ħanitfa' 100 millilitru ħalib tal-banana. Now I'm going to add 100 milliliters banana milk. So 100 milliliters banana milk. U ħanitfaw mat-taħlita. I added it with the mixture and you continue mixing everything up. Komplu ħawdu. Issa nibda nitfa' tqiq. Tqiq għandkom bżonn 200 gramma. 200 gramma tqiq. Bdew itfgħu it-tqiq. 200 gramma. Now we need flour and we have to have flour. We need 200 grams. 200 grams flour and you continue mixing everything up. Komplu ħawdu. Spiċċajt billi żied 12 gramma baking powder biex il-kejk jola bih. Mela 12 gramma baking powder. So I added 12 grams baking powder to the mixture and continue stirring until everything is mixed together well. Mela jiena se nsajru ġol borma forn il-kejk. Tistgħu ssajruh ġol forn intom, però jiena nsajru ġol borma forn, dliktu bil-butiru tqiq u issa kemm nitfa' taħlita ġo fih. So I'm going to use this to bake it. You can bake it in the oven. I'm going to bake it in this one. I greased with butter and flour the tin, and I'm going to put the mixture in it. Mela għamilt it-taħlita ġol borma forn kif qed taraw. Issa kemm naħmuh. Mela min se jagħmlu fil-forn għamluh għal 180 grad. Min se jaħmih fil-forn 180 grad għamluh. U ħalluh sakemm taraw li sar daħlu xi stick jew xi ħaġa biex ta' jekk toħroġ nadifa jkun sar. Jekk toħroġ għadhom delka jkun għadu ma sarx. Mela l-180 grad ġol forn u min se jagħmlu bħali fil-borma forn. Jien dan se nagħmlu fuq il-cooker fil-borma forn isir. Għamluh narbax ħafna, l-iktar narbax li tistgħu u dejjem iċċekkjaw ma tgħaddi ċertu ħin, iċċekkjaw u taraw sarx bħal l-oħra daħħal stick tara u xlest. So this is ready. I put it in the tin. Now I'm going to bake it. If you're going to bake it in the oven, you have to bake it on 180 degrees Celsius. So bake it on 180 degrees Celsius, and from time to time, when you see that it's it's ready baked, you just put a stick in it. If it comes clean, it's ready. If it doesn't come clean, you still have to continue baking it. So you make it on 180 degrees Celsius. If you're going to use this like this one, I'm going to put it on the oven, not in the oven, on the cooker. I'm going to cook it on the cooker on very low burner. It's going to be very low. The lowest that you can, you have to make it. And like when you bake it on the oven, you just check it to see if you just put a stick. If it comes clean, it is ready. If it doesn't come clean, you still have to continue baking it. So as I told you, in the oven, 180 degrees Celsius. And if you're going to cook it like I'm going to make it on the burner has to be very low. Cake lest kif qed taraw. Daħħalt is-sikkina biex nara u ħarġet nadifa lura l-cake u lest. And this is the cake ready. Then we will take it out and we see it how it comes. Għal-cake kif ġie kif qed taraw diġà kilt kwart minnu mat-te. Ġie tajjeb ħafna. Dan għamiltu bħal esperiment użajt il-ħalib tal-banana. Provajtu darba u vera ġie tajjeb. Nirrikmandalkom li tippruvaw. And this is how the cake came. As you have seen, I already ate this with tea. I had these. It's very good. I made an experiment. I tried with the banana milk. Tried to make it with the banana milk, and the result is very good. Hope that you try it. Bye for now.